Hi, this video is about your textbook and the MG content, the Mastering Geography online content. What you're looking at on the screen is in Blackboard. I clicked on textbook and MG content info, and let me switch it to your student version. Here we go. So here you see I tell you you need both the textbook and access to MG by today. So if you haven't done it yet, please purchase the MG access online and also an e-textbook. You don't have time at this point to order a hard copy if you haven't done so already. Okay, because there's no extensions, no delays for ordering a textbook late. Okay, so here I give you directions to do it in two different ways. You can buy it directly from the Pearson Publishing Company, which is the publisher of MG and the textbook. It's actually a little bit cheaper that way. I don't know if you have the same kind of return policies, like if you decided to drop the course. I have no idea what their policies are. So if you're thinking you may not stay in the course, maybe buy it from the campus bookstore so you have more flexibility. I don't know, just a thought. So if you click on this, you go directly to the link for where you can purchase Mastering Geography access with the textbook. Okay? You can also buy it at the campus bookstore. These are the directions if you need a little help. That's the link, and then you'll navigate through to this course and you'll buy it. Now, last summer, the students who bought it through the campus bookstore, they did not get immediate access to their documents. It took a while because the campus bookstore has to send the request to the Pearson website, and then the Pearson Publishing website has to respond. So it takes a little while. So keep that in mind. I think it took about 24 hours last year. Okay, and then you will need the course ID. Once you have access to MG, you sign in, you create an account and sign in, and you'll have a username and you'll put in your full name, that sort of thing, so that I can easily identify you. Make sure the name you put in is the same name I'm seeing on the roster so I know it's you. Okay, don't pick a nickname or something that I'm not going to recognize. And you put in this course ID, it'll prompt you for it, and that will lead you to the course requirements, the assignments for this course. Okay, and here's just a couple of other links. I provided a link in case you already have the textbook for some reason. Maybe you had a version, somebody gave it to you who took the course last year or something. You can just purchase access to the MG online assignments. That's that link. So I'm just going to take you over to MG for a minute. Okay. This is the Mastering Geography, what I see when I log in. What I'm going to do is go to my courses. For you, you should probably will only have one course listed. I've taught other courses using this, so I have a long list, but I'll click on Intro Geography. And you'll see something where it'll say what to do next and that sort of thing. You can also go to your calendar and look at it that way. I'm going to go over to assignments. And I see more than you because I'm the instructor, but there's a calendar and it shows the due dates for each one. The only one you're going to see right now is the week 1, chapters 1 and 2 assignments. That's due Thursday, July 4th by 11:30 p.m. Yes, that's a holiday. Do it early if you're busy on the 4th. And it's going to take you, it could take you a few hours to do it, so make sure you are getting on that right away. You will also see this optional assignment that's available. That's just, if you're going to do it, you should do it first. That's just so you can get yourself familiar with the system and how to answer questions and how to navigate through Google Earth and different things like that, so that you're not losing points trying to figure it out in the real assignment. That's up to you if you want to do it or not. I'm not even going to look at it. But your week 1 MG assignment is due this Thursday by 11:30 p.m. And then every week you're going to have one. Right now they're unavailable to students because they don't open until Sunday of that week. So the week 2 assignment will open Sunday morning on the 7th, and you'll have the week to do it until Thursday at 11:30. Okay, so that's the MG assignments. And what I'm going to do now is go into the week 1 assignment. And I'm going to show you the student view. And it popped up my other screen. Hold on. There it is. So that's what it's going to look like. And you can click into each one separately. So you can click into one and it will appear. And you can answer it and submit. And you can just go to the next one or the one behind, or you can go back to the main menu. You can do them in whatever order you want. You can do some and then stop and then come back later. It's up to you. There's no time limit. There's very little limit on how you do it, other than it has to be completed by 11:30 p.m. on Thursday. Now this is the one assignment you can do some things late, but you're going to lose a lot of points by doing it late. The points come off rapidly with late answers. And what I've done here is I've put all kind of the multiple choice true and false questions first. All of these are sort of those. And then you're going to start seeing video questions where you have to watch a short video. I think all of them are less than 10 minutes long, and answer questions based on them. And then you're going to have some graphing exercises, some map exercises. You're going to have some animations, some GeoTutor kind of assignments, and you're going to have some Google Earth assignments. This is where you need to have Google Earth on your computer and be able to add layers and different things. The Google Earth ones that I've assigned you are the getting started, kind of learning how to use it. So you're going to do that this time around. And then in future weeks, you'll just be using Google Earth to answer geography questions. Okay, and you can see how many points everything is worth. That is your MG assignment. And it's going to take you at least a couple hours to get it done. Depending on your speed and how long you want to spend on everything, it should be at least a couple hours. Okay? That is MG. Get rid of that now. Okay, so that is the textbook, MG, and I guess that's about it. All right.